1, 2, 3.
Will you come to KK again?
Never. No thanks.
Come to KK
No.
again. Would you
No lah! Elena Xiang reporting.
The proest climber of all. And then we got the noob. That's Elena behind. She looks so energetic.
There's a pitcher plant. Oh no! 我手机！哎呀妈！
Hello everyone, in case you're new to the channel, my name is Jelly and I'm just an average girl with average fitness, so I don't really know what possessed me to decide to conquer the highest peak in Southeast Asia. Our 2-day 1-night budget Mount Kinabalu climb via Timpohon Trail package cost us SGD $510 per person. Located in Malaysia, Mount Kinabalu is 4,095 meters above sea level, and summiting it involves a 2-day trek, which starts at the Kinabalu Park headquarters.
We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head.
This is the visitor center, and we are going to the public washroom. The public restroom has the squat toilets and the toilet bowl, so it's pretty okay. The water is cold, it's a bit chilly now. Upon arriving at the HQ, we were told to visit the public washroom first before registration and briefing.
In jacket, yeah? And after you finish here, you can start descending down.
This is our packed lunch, but we'll do unboxing later.
I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
We're going to start from Timpohon Gate. All the way up.
This is where we'll rest for the night.
Then tomorrow morning will be good.
Yeah, and then at the end of it all, we'll all the way down here. Hi everybody.
Oh, hi.
We are at Timpohon.
No, we are not at Timpohon.
Oh, we are at the visitor center now.
Then we are going to register before we go to Timpohon Gate to start climbing.
冰冰啊，冰冰，你们有山吗？你们有冰冰
They are discussing on porter services. So what's your...
We need porter services.
To engage porter service, your bags will be weighed in front of you and payments have to be made directly to the porter in cash. Porter service is optional and depends on the individual. The minimum weight is 10 kg and additional weight will be charged based on daily rate per kg. Just for context, we did not request for porter service in the end and carried all our belongings up and down throughout the trip. So this pass that we have to wear at all times, it contains our name and we have to flash this at the various checkpoints. So even for lunch, you have to show this pass, if not we get no lunch. A van will drive you from the park HQ to Timpohon Gate, which is about 4 kilometers away. You will have to display your climbing permit, aka the lanyard, to park officials at the gate before you can start your climb. Apparently these are the wildlife that we'll get to see.
Yeah.
Andy, 你要 break record 吗？
我没有 fit 啊。
To starting point and to finish to level record. Yeah, the last is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have to sign that form to certify that we have been briefed on what our route is and what we're going to do. The starting point. So at the start is these steps that go down. Yeah, it's rocky. I started the climb in a slow and steady pace to avoid overexertion. At this point, my muscles were not rebelling yet, but I was finding it harder and harder to catch my breath due to the weight of my backpack on my back. The difficulty level of the hike is considered to be moderate to challenging, requiring a decent level of physical fitness and mental determination. The terrain is mostly steep and strenuous, uphill climbs, rocky and uneven.
We are at checkpoint 1. The person holding this camera is out of camera now because she's a bit tired.
1 kilometer.
Signages are placed every 500 meters along the trail up to Panalaban Base Camp, so we were looking out for it as pit stops to take a breather and hydrate ourselves. While the hike itself is challenging, altitude sickness is also another variable for climbers to watch out for. Hikers should take precautions and acclimatize properly to the altitude to avoid and/or minimize altitude sickness. Hydration is key. I will encourage you to keep drinking water although you may not feel thirsty. This helps our body replenish lost minerals and energy while also keeping altitude sickness at bay. Hard to breathe.
Alina, the checkpoint 2. How are you feeling?
Tired. I'm very tired.
How are you feeling? Jack. How are you feeling?
My muscles are not hurting except my shoulders, and I'm breathing very hard.
At the shelters, you'll also meet wild squirrels, which, while cute, are aggressive food stealers. They hop onto your bags and hands to snatch food packets and snack bars from you. So beware of that if you don't want to share your food.
The squirrel stole half a Snickers bar from him. Continuing on our 3rd kilometers. We're only at 1.5.
Falling to pieces in my room.
There is a shelter at every kilometer. There are washrooms at the shelters and space to rest and refuel. The water at these shelters are untreated mountain water, so I would advise you to carry all your drinking water in your bags with you, instead of hoping for refills at these shelters.
Only at 2. Next checkpoint. 2.5. 3 p.m. Physical check. Very tired. Panting.
So we are at checkpoint number 5.
Tired.
Are you feeling? No feeling at all?
Don't want to come already.
3.5. Continuing on.
My feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens,
哎，过来这里嘞。
Lunch. Water, egg sandwich, fried chicken, and an apple.
Done with lunch. How's the apple?
Sour.
Post lunch. Gonna go slow. 4.
Laban Rata 2 km.
you want me to say something. I come up with nothing.
At some parts of the trail, you'll need to haul yourself up 80 degrees of steep rocks using the provided ropes.
Caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen.
啊，看不到哎。
要收牙齿，
收
收牙齿笑。
Resting on the slope.
这个 checkpoint 在这里。
你看嘴巴，我给你吃 ice cream。擦牙。
Look at the Energizer Bunny and Mr. P behind.
When it happens, we'll be dancing on the
We still have 100 plus meters to go. Right, 100 meters to the hut. Our stay for the night. But we gotta conquer this first. One step at a time.
Panalaban now. All of us managed to get here after about 6 hours. Look at all these very friendly people. Let me stretch.
Look, look.
Hi guys, we are at Panalaban finally after about a 6 hours hike.
Yeah.
A lot of encouragement from people.
We are here.
We are finally here.
It was a tiring walk up.
可以啊，
Good job, Andy.
啊崩溃啊，看到了。
Our guide is chasing us after taking some pictures and videos. Keeps chasing us. To go, go, go. So we have to go, go, go.
Big number.
Bed number will be 28.
28. Okay.
Number will be 27.
Okay.
OK。
And your bed number will be 26. Okay. Okay. All of you must bring your ID when you take your dinner at 4:30.
OK。
Alright. Your room will be upstairs.
Thank you so much.
The very top. The very top.
Thank you. Now going to our rooms. Our bed numbers are 26, 27 and 28. Ours is at the highest floor. Room 1. Come, open the door. Door, come in. We have 3 beds. These 3 beds are ours.
I was surprised that our beds were not bunk beds, which I had seen in other videos. The large room was lined with super single beds against the walls. It's a basic unisex hostel where we sleep alongside other climbers in the room.
Looks like mini pantry, toilet, small sinks.
The toilet cubicles are marked male and female, but essentially each cubicle has a toilet bowl and toilet paper dispenser. There is also a shower cubicle, not that we used it at all because there is no heated water. So unless you want an icy cold bath on top of the cold temperatures, I would not recommend that. There are electrical sockets scattered around the room, but because power supply is so limited coming from our generator set, there is often no power even when you plug in, and lights can flicker suddenly. Phones take super long to charge, and so my recommendation is to bring along your own power banks to charge your devices.
We are in our room now. The time is 3:25 in the afternoon. We arrived here at 3 p.m. There's nobody except us. Yeah, it's a bit cold now. My hands are freezing. And dinner is only served at 4:30. So we have 1 hour before we can eat. The water is so heavy. No space. Yeah. 我也是。Okay, Elena 要擦身体 ，Let's watch.
首先
，viewership 会很低的，不要嘞。
对啊，都要 RA 耶。
我要去厕所擦好手语。
UV filtered drinking water dispenser is available at Panalaban Hostel, where climbers can refill their bottles for free. Otherwise, you can also purchase bottled mineral water at the restaurant's grocery counter at 7 ringgit for 500 ml and 14 ringgit for 1.5 litres.
We are here for dinner, which is between 4:30 to 7. Joining the queue. This is our food. Hungry!
吃饭，
吃饭。
可以加的second round。
不用啊，这个很多人，我先不要
这么好礼貌，是啊，吃饭。
我
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over?
You all your heat tech already?
不可以呼吸耶！我刚才差一点窒息，要捋个洞。小狼。
To see how day 2 of our summit climb went, stay tuned for the next one. Bye!